Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to do this water test on this Boston 600. Yes, this is not that I'm going to pour the water on this Boston 600. It's just that I'm going to put this glass of water on this and let's find out that how much this Boston 600 able to shake this glass. So without wasting time, I'm your friend Manish and I'm watching Technical Chaharji. So let's get straight into the video. So to check the more sound quality of this Boston 600, I've kept a half filled glass of water on the speaker and let's see how much the speaker shakes the glass and how much the water shakes over it.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Battery low.
So over this experiment, I've not been able to see so much of shaking in the water. So the water test glass of this Boston 600 is not so been impressive. So overall, I'm not so much impressed with this Boston 600 of this water glass test. Overall, I feel like that it has failed this water glass test. It's not been able to shake as much as expected and as much as they had pronounced in their advertisements that they're shaking the water very much. Overall, I played the same music which I played the last week, and as you can see in that video, the speaker has moved quite far from their protected spot. So overall, this Boston 600 has failed this water glass challenge, and overall, it's not been able to shake this glass as much as expected. So if you like this test, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see some interesting content like this.